Okay, I'm going to simplify. Whenever I'm simplifying these, I want to look at the numeric portion first, and I'm going to make a fraction bar because they already start out fractions, and I'm going to simplify the numeric portion, the part without the exponents, first. So 8 over 56, we can divide both of those numbers by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Now for the variables, the letters. You want to look at each letter individually, and you want to see what the biggest exponent is. So for x, I have a 5 and I have a 2. The biggest number is a 5. So that tells you where your letter is going to go. So since the biggest number is a 5 for the x, that means my x is going to be on the top because that one's on the top. Then you subtract. 5 take away 2 is 3. The y's, the biggest exponent, I have a 3 and a 2. The biggest exponent's a 3. That means my y is going to be on a 3. On the top. And you subtract the exponents. 3 take away 2 is 1. But if the exponent is 1, you don't have to put it. So that is the answer. So again, do the numeric part first. 54 divided by 6 is 9. For the u's, I have a 5 and a 3. The largest exponent's on top, so my u is going to be on the top. 5 take away 3 is 2. For the v, if a letter doesn't have an exponent, it's assumed to be a 1. So 4 and 1, the largest exponent is 4. It's on the top, which means my v is on the top. And subtract. 4 take away 1 is 3. So in that particular answer, we actually do not have a fraction because everything stayed on the top. Okay, the next one. 14 and 21, you can divide those by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. For the y's, I have a 2 and a 3. The largest exponent's on the bottom, so that means my y is going to be on the bottom. Subtract. 3 take away 2 is 1. But again, if the exponent is 1, you don't have to write it. For the z's, I have a 5 and a 4. Largest number is 5. It's on the top, which means my z is going to be on the top. Subtract. 5 take away 4 is 1. So, sorry, this is the answer here. 2z over 3y.